Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
Finding an inmate's court date can feel overwhelming, especially when you're worried about a friend or family member, but this guide will walk you through the exact steps to locate this important information. Before you begin your search, you need to gather some key details. The most important pieces of information are the inmate's full legal name, their date of birth, and if possible, their inmate ID or booking number. Having the correct spelling of the name is absolutely crucial, as a small mistake can prevent you from finding any records. The more information you have, the easier your search will be. Next, you need to figure out where they are being held, which is known as the jurisdiction. Are they in a local county jail, a state prison, or a federal facility? This is the most critical question because it tells you where to look. Inmates in a county or city jail are usually awaiting trial or serving short sentences. State prisons hold individuals convicted of more serious state-level crimes. Federal prisons are for those convicted of federal crimes. Once you know the jurisdiction, the easiest way to start is online. For someone in a county jail, your best bet is to find the website for the clerk of courts for that specific county. Look for a link that says case search, court records, or docket search. You can usually search by the person's name and date of birth. For inmates in a state prison, visit the website for that state's Department of Corrections, often called the DOC. They almost always have an inmate locator tool that can provide a lot of information. If the person is in the federal system, you'll need to go to the Federal Bureau of Prisons website at bop.gov and use their inmate locator. If you can't find what you need online, don't give up. The most direct method is to pick up the phone and call the clerk of court's office for the county where the inmate was charged. Be polite, have all the inmate's information ready, and simply ask for their next scheduled court appearance. Another excellent resource is the inmate's attorney. If they have a public defender or a private lawyer, that lawyer's office will have the most accurate and up-to-date schedule. Keep in mind that information isn't always updated instantly. If someone was just arrested, it might take 24 to 48 hours for their case to appear in the system. Also, court dates can and do change frequently, so it's a good idea to check back often to confirm the date and time. Thank you so much for watching. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up to let us know, and be sure to subscribe.